ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Welcome back, students. We are doing statistics problems, examination questions. Previously asked examination questions we are dealing with in statistics chapter of class 10. We are doing 4 mark questions based on tables. Generally you will be given a table, grouped data with the class intervals and all that. That kind of problems we are doing. Now we are going to do one more problem. Before we proceed to the problem, let me remind you of our institution. We are located in Chintal and Tarnaka. Our college name is Venkanna Junior College. I am Yoganand, teaching mathematics for Venkanna classes. We are recording this video for the benefit of class 10 students who are going to appear for 10th class examinations to be conducted in the month of May. This chapter statistics is a very important chapter from examination point of view. Statistics, we call it stats also. In stats we are doing examination questions. So let me write the problem which was asked for 4 marks. Find the mean age of of 100 students, 100 residents of a colony. Using the table. So what is the table given? I am writing the table on the top. Age, I am writing the table on the top. Age and number of persons. Zero to 10 age group. How many are there? 10. 10 to 20. 15 persons are there. 20 to 30. How many persons are there? 25. 30 to 40. 25 are there. 40 to 50. How many are there? 10. Next, 50 to 60. How many are there? 10. 60 to 70. How many are there? 5. This is the table given. With the help of this table, you have to find the mean of the age of 100 residents. I am repeating the problem once again. Look at the board and carefully look at the frequency, number of persons. Age in years, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 30, 30 40, 40 50, 50 60, 60 70. And number of persons 10, 15, 25, 35, 10, 10, 5. The last one is 5. You have to find the mean. You have to find the mean. This is the question. It is asked for 4 marks question. You have to do it by table only. Direct method you can use, or you can use step deviation method, or you can use assumed mean method. Any method you can do, it is your comfort. Because method is not mentioned, you can try doing it by any method. So, let us do it first. Solution. In the solution directly you can start with the table. What is the age class interval? This is class, the interval size, or you can say age interval. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 is the last class. 60 to 70. Generally, the age will be up to 70, it is taken. What is number given? F5, I will write it directly. 0 to 10, how many are there? 10 are there. Write 10. Next 15. Next 25. Next 25. Next 10. Next 10. Next 5. Now you can total this and verify whether the residents are 100 in number or not. You have to verify it first of all. You have to cross verify before you proceed further. Add up 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 0. So, 20. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. This is sigma Fi. You can write it like this. What is sigma Fi? 100. What is the given number of residents? 100. So, it is tallied. We are going in the right direction. Next step, what we have to do? You have to find the mid value of the class interval, age interval otherwise. What is this generally represented by xi? How to find xi for the first class? What is the first class? 0 to 10. 10 plus 0 by 2, 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2, 15. 30 plus 20, 50 by 2, 25. 40 plus 30, 70 by 2, 35. 50 plus 40, 90 by 2, 45. Next 60 plus 50, 110, 55. 70 plus 60, 130. So, it is 65. You can now choose to do it by assumed mean method, or you can do it by any method you require. Step deviation method, direct method. Shall we proceed by direct method? Multiplication is little bit long. Otherwise, we can do the same problem by assumed mean method also. That also I will do if you want. So, shall we do it by direct method? Yes. What is Fi xi?
Students, my name is Vishal Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur in electrical engineering. I have an experience of more than 12 years in preparing IIT JEE aspirants for this examination. Under me already more than 100 students have cracked this IIT JEE examination. Right now I am associated with K. Venkana classes. Now K. Venkana classes, for the first time in Hyderabad, it has brought your top Delhi, IIT and NITN faculties. Now what are you waiting for? Come and join us and realize your dream of getting into IITs.
10 into 5, 50. 15 into 15, 225. 25 into 25, 25 square, 625. 25 into 35, what is 25 into 35? If you do not know, multiply it, there is no problem. 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17. So 5 into 35 is 175, 2 into 35 is 70. So add up 7, 8. So the answer is 875. So 25 into 35 is 875. Next, 10 into 45, easy, 450. Next, 10 into 55, 550. 5 into 65, 325. You add up all this, 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 2, 23 plus 2, 25 plus 5, 30, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 8, 23 plus 6, 29 plus 2, 31. So this is sigma Fi xi. So you can do it this way. What is the total you got it? Just verify the total once again. What is the total you got? $3,100. So the total is 3100. Verify it once again. 10 into 5, 50, 15 into 5, 75 plus 150, 225, 25 square, 625, 25 into 35. So this is 625 plus 250, 875. 10 into 45 is 450. 10 into 55 is 550. 5 into 65, you can write it as 10 by 2. 10 by 2 into 65. 10 into 65 is 650 divided by 2 is 325. So you can use, while multiplying, you can use your own brain calculations or take a rough paper and do it. So we were doing this kind of rough work also on the right. So like that also you can do it, there is no problem. However you do it, you can do it. So the total you got is 3100. Am I right? So now we will find the mean. For your purpose, for your sake, I will do the same problem in assumed mean method also. The same problem I will do it in by assumed mean method also. So what is the mean formula? Sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. Mean is generally represented by x bar. 3100 divided by 100. So you got the answer very quickly, 31. Note down this, answer is 31. It is a 4-mark question. You can do indirect method like this. Same problem we will do by step deviation method or assumed mean method. In order to do it by assumed mean method, what is the other column you need to have? What is the other column you need to have? We do not need this Fi xi column. So I am erasing this. I am just erasing this and doing it now for your sake. So look at the problem once. I am going to do the same problem in no time with Fi xi and assumed mean method. What is the assumed mean method? You have to assume that value and find out the mean. What is the assumed mean? You can assume it on your own. We have seen the answer. What is the answer you got? 31. Keep it in mind. You can assume that as 25 or 35. How many are there? Forget about 5 and 65. First one, last one you can forget. 15 and 55 you can forget. 25 and 45 you can forget. So you can assume this as the mean. This is assumed mean. What is assumed mean? A is equal to 35. After assumed mean, you have to find out di. What is di? Xi minus a. Am I right? Di is xi minus a. First I am finding for this. What is 35 minus 35? 0. 25 minus 35 minus 10. 15 minus 35 minus 20. 5 minus 35 minus 30. 45 minus 35 plus 10. 55 minus 35 plus 20. 65 minus 35 plus 30. Look at this very carefully. There will be 0 somewhere in the column. Above 0 you get all negative numbers in multiples. Minus 10, minus 10 into 2, minus 20, minus 20 and minus 30. First multiple, second multiple, third multiple. Again first multiple of 10, second multiple of 10, third multiple of 10. What is 10? Length of the class interval. So this computation is easy when compared to direct method. Only thing is you have to write one more column with this column. Next, what is that you have to do? Di xi, fi, fi di, I will write it here. 10 into minus 30, what is the value? Minus 300. 15 into minus 20, minus 300. 25 into minus 10, what is that? Minus 250. 25 into 0, 0. 10 into 10 plus 100. 10 into 20 plus 200. 5 into 30 plus 150. So you will get this column. Now you have to add up the values of this. Plus values, minus values, both will add separately. 100 plus 200, 300 plus 150, 450 minus 300, 300 minus 600 minus 250 minus 850. What is the value you got? Minus 450. The total is sigma fi di is equal to minus 450. Now what is the formula for mean? A plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. What is A you got? 35 plus minus 450 divided by sigma fi is 100. 35 plus what is that when you divide it? You get minus 4.5. So 35 minus 4 is 31. So 35, 30.5. You round it off to the nearest 2-digit number, you will get the answer as that. You can see here, I think I am mistaken. What is 450 minus 850? 400. So you must write 400 here, which is minus 400 by 100 is minus 4.0, which is 31. Directly you get the answer. So what is the answer here? 31. What is the direct method answer? 31 only. So by, if at all you do a simple mistake of this kind, you will lose the answer, but rounded off the answer is tallying, but you should be very accurate in doing it. So I hope you understood the direct method and assumed mean method. The same problem can be done by step deviation method also, which I am not doing now, because step deviation method involves one more column and afterwards you get the same answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Shall we do one more problem? One more problem which was asked in the examination. I will dictate the problem, look at the problem. Shall I take the new board? The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas of various states and union territories UT of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers using all the three methods. You need three, using all the three methods he mentioned, that you can mention, you can do it by direct method or by assumed mean method or step deviation method. Any method you can do it. So, I will do in one of the methods. So, first of all, let me write the table. The percentage of female teachers is given. Next question for 4 marks. 15 to 25 is one class wherein 6 teachers are available. 25 to 35, 11 are available. 35 to 45, 7 are available. 45 to 55, 4 are available. 55 to 65, 4 are available. 65 to 75, 2 are available. 75 to 85, 1 is available. So, this is the distribution table given. I write class interval and frequency. You have to find the mean for this. Any method you can use and we can find out this. How many are there? Is that given in the question? Let me read out the question once again. It is not given. The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas. Find the mean. So, we will convert the problem to another table. Carefully draw the table. First one is class interval 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, again 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to, that is it, 75 to 85. This is the last one. So, you don't need to have this. What is the frequency given? F5. 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2, 1. What is the next one we have to find out? Xi. We have to find out Xi. What is the total of frequencies? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 11, 29 plus 6, 35. This is sigma Fi. We can total the frequency column. Next, we want the mid value of the class interval. What is 25 plus 15? 40 by 2, 20. 25 plus 35, 60 by 2, 30. You can see here the class interval size is 10. Add 10 to this 30, next one would be 40, next one could be 50, next one 60, next one 70, next one 80. You can check it up very easily. Comfortably you can do it. Because zeros are there in the Xi, direct method is easy. You can, though the numbers are little bigger, computation is very easy. Shall we do it by direct method Fi Xi? So, we will multiply and write the values. 6 into 20, 120. 11 into 30, 330. 7 into 40, 280. 4 into 50, 200. 4 into 60, 240, 2 into 70, 140, 1 into 80, it is 80. You can see the product and compare the values, just check up 6, 11, 7, so on. Here it is high, therefore here you got high. What is the total of this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros. How many classes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 classes are there. You got 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frequencies and 7 sum to be summed up. These 7 numbers must be summed up. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 0, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 4, 17 plus 4 is 21 plus 8, 29, 2 carried over. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. So, once again cross check this. Zeros, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 8, 24, 27 plus 2, 29, 2. So, you can see here 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 2, 13. 1390 is sigma Fi xi. Fi xi. This is the total. You can now directly find out the mean value. What is the mean formula? Sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. This is also called as x bar. 1390 by 35, 1390 by 35. 7 goes, I believe, 5 goes, 5 7 times. Here 5 2 times, 39, 5 goes 7 times, 40, 48 times. So, you got 278 divided by 7. So, how many times 7 will go? 3 times 68. Remainder is 5, 5 by 7. Just check it up once again. 278 divided by 7. 7 into 3, 21. 7 minus 1 is 6, 68. 9 into 7, 63, 5. 39, 5 by 7 is the answer. You can write this as 39 5 by 7, or you can write it as rounded figure 39 40, or you can say put dot and write 0, 50. So, 9 times 9 into 7, 9, 7 into 7, 49. So, you can write it as 39.7. You can say that it is 40 rounded off. The answer is 39.7. You can see this. I will explain the same problem again if you want. Write down the problem first. Look at the problem. Class interval and frequency is given. Taken the table as it is. Frequencies totaled up 35. Xi is to be found out. Calculate Xi in each class interval. We got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So, you can see here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you are wrong, this sequence will fail. If you are wrong, this sequence will not come. Remember that. Multiply 6 into 20, 11 into 30, 7 into 40, 4 into 50, 4 into 60, 2 into 70, 1 into 80. Add up the totals. The total is 1390. with the help of the 1390 grand total, then divide by 35, you will get the answer. The answer is 39.7. 39.7 is the answer. I hope you enjoyed learning this problem, and few more problems are there. We will take that problem also. One more problem is there, that also we will take now. This also we will do in 10 minutes time. Shall I move the board? You can take the screenshot of this. One more examination question I am doing now. Understand the question very carefully. He did not ask fully what to find, he asked something what we need to write. Find the value of sigma fi xi for the above data where xi is the mid value of each class. So, he has given this for 4 marks. I am writing on the board. Question number 5, class interval frequency 10 to 20, 5, 20 to 30, frequency is 8, 30 to 40, frequency is 10, 40 to 50, frequency is 5, 50 to 60, frequency is 2. What he asked was, find the value of sigma fi xi for the above data where xi is the mid value of each class. Mid value of each class. Look at the problem. He has asked only sigma fi xi. He did not ask to find mean or anything like that. He asked us to find the value of sigma fi xi. Shall we do this problem? Okay. So, directly take down the table with the frequency and xi, fi class interval, and then fi xi, because he asked us to find that value also. Class interval given, frequency is given, xi we have to find and fi xi also have to find. What is class interval? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now, what is the frequencies given? First frequency 5, 8, 10, 5, 2. Now, you have to find carefully the mid value of the class, where xi is the mid value of each class. 10 and 20, what is the mid value? 15. Otherwise, 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. Next, 20 plus 30 by 2, 50 by 2, which is 25. Next, 30 plus 40 by 2, 70 by 2, 35. Next, 40 plus 50 by 2, 90 by 2, it is 45. Next, 50 plus 60, 110 by 2, which is 55. What did he ask? Fi xi, add up. What is fi xi? 15 into 5, 75. 8 into 25, 200. 10 into 35, 350. 5 into 45, 540 is 200, 225. 2 into 55, 110. What did he ask? He asked us to find sigma Fi xi only. Not necessary to find this sigma Fi xi. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 960. Sigma Fi xi. Just check it up once again, the totals. Check the totals once again, whether sigma Fi xi is the same or not. Ten 20 class interval is 15, 20 30 class interval is 25, 30 40 10 class interval is 35, 40 50 here it is 5 frequency 45, 50 60 class interval, so xi is 55, multiply 75, 200, 350, 225, 110. Add up all this. 275 plus 300, 575 plus 50, 625 plus 25, 650 plus 200, 850 plus 100, 950 plus 10, 960. This is the answer. So, sigma Fi xi is asked, which is 960 is the answer. I hope you have enjoyed learning all these problems. I will repeat this problem once again. In the examination, whatever is asked, we have to find out that only. He did not ask us to find the mean. If mean is asked, what is the additional step we have to do? Add up this. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 10, 17 plus 8, 17 plus 8, 25 plus 5, 30. So, this is 30. So, if mean is asked, what is the answer? Mean is 960 divided by 30. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 10, 23 plus 2, 25 plus 5, 30. So, you can find out the mean like this. 3 goes 3 times 2, 32 is the answer. So, you are not asked to find the mean, you are asked to find sigma Fi xi. I hope you enjoyed learning these problems. Today we dealt with so many problems which were examination questions. Just repeatedly practice these questions. Any question of this kind you can answer in the examination. You can take a screenshot of this. I am moving to the other side. You can take this. The answer is 960. Only mention this answer. Don't mention mean. Mean is not asked. So, if asked what is the mean, that is what I have done. So, with that the examination questions are asked. In our next class, we are going to learn mode median of grouped data and ungrouped data. I hope you all enjoyed learning. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next class.